Hey, what's going on everybody? Carlos here, back again with another unboxing video. This time we have one I think a lot of people have been waiting for. This is a Surker's. This is the what we would call the model SK-7511. If anyone's seen the Wahl shaver, it's this guy right here. It seems to be a clone, a knockoff, whatever. Kemei also makes one of these, but this is the one I was able to pick up. It is on Amazon. Links will be in the description. So let's get this unboxing going so that I can start using it, testing out. Everybody knows with this whole Corona thing, it's hard for me to be able to test these out fully the way I was because I'm not in the shop as much. But I can still cut my son's hair. I can still give myself a shave. I can still do things that will allow me to really test this out. The thing will be durability and how long it lasts. So we'll find out. Let's just unbox this. Very simple packaging, and I opened it up the wrong way. So as it states in the box, it's a USB powered, which is great. It says 45 plus cordless shaving. It takes about an hour and a half to charge, so it gives you about 45 minutes of use time. That's really it as far as information. Again, here it tells us the same information. So it gives you about 45 minutes of use time, and a fully charged battery takes an hour and a half. So let's put this aside over here and get to it. So you get your USB. This looks like it's a micro USB, and it is micro USB. Nice little travel pouch. Really won't use this. I would prefer more of a hard case, but at the price that you're getting this for, I can understand why they didn't give you that. And then a little cleaning brush, two-sided, not too bad. Okay, now the star of the show. Oh, we do have some documentation over here. We do have some documentation, so you can read this and just find out some information. Definitely you want to charge it overnight before using it. That's always been my experience, but you do what you want to do if you feel it's right. So the benefit of having this design where you have one head of the shaver a little bit taller than the other is that when you're shaving, okay, you can start really focusing on just one part, so you can kind of blend out the bald line with this. If you didn't know that, that's the reason why they do this staggered cut. So let's this button right here will release the top of the head, and here you're introduced with the actual shavers. Now if I do find that they have replacement heads like this, I will leave that link in the description. So guys, make sure you guys check out the description, because if I have any, if I can find replacement parts like getting a new blade and a full head, that's going to be very important to this machine, because if you can't replace it, I mean, I get it being at the price that it is, probably just buy another one, but I would prefer not to have to keep buying new machines all the time. All right, so with that out of the way, let's push this. This has two modes. I'm just noticing it has off, and here we go. I'll show you right here. So you have off, low, and high. I don't see why I would ever use it on low, but whatever. Let's see. That's on low. Sounds pretty good. Sound test on low. And this is high. Wow, it's got some pretty good power. Pretty good power. So that is our unboxing. I like the design. Obviously it's a very close, it's exactly like the Wahl that they have, which has always been a good shaver. I definitely like the fact that it's USB instead of some proprietary, shaver or something like this. Something like this, when they make it like this, it's like, then you can't find this one, and it's just a pain in the butt. So when they do give you a USB cable, which we'll just take this and then plug it in, And let's see if they give us some sort of indicator light, which it does appear that it should, because and here, as you see, indicator light shows red. So I'm gonna leave this to charge for probably like 12 hours. I always do it for like 12 hours. And then, you know, I'll begin to use it, and just follow-up video will be the full review in a couple weeks, where I actually give you guys my full opinion. I honestly don't think this is not gonna be a good. I think this is actually gonna be pretty good. I love the fact that it's very lightweight, but the build quality seems to be a durable plastic. And in the full review, you'll know more of my opinion, use case, how these have lasted, and we'll go from there. So guys, thank you for tuning in. As always, make sure you like, share, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, where I give you some of these behind the scenes, and you can ask me plenty of questions there. Try to keep it to a minimum, because my DMs are starting to actually get filled up. So if I don't answer you right away, don't take that to heart. Just know that, you know, I'm answering people and stuff like that. And here's another tip for you guys. A lot of times you guys all ask very, very similar questions. If you actually take the time to read in previous videos, comments and stuff like that, I answer a lot of the same questions you guys have. So just before you ask me a question like that you might think that no one else has asked, just look in the comments. A lot of times you're gonna see somebody already asked that and already answered it. So it's one way to get a quicker response, rather than having to wait a couple hours, maybe a day or two, before I can get back to you. But anyways, thank you guys for tuning in. As always, I appreciate you. Follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you around. Peace. I think this is gonna be pretty good.